Hi everyone! Welcome to my unboxing and review of the Kloudic electric heater. You can get this product on Amazon for about $50. Check out the link in the description. The heater is small and lightweight, and it seems like it's a good quality product. If you want to use the heater, you first have to turn on the main switch. The heater has a tip-over switch and it will automatically shut off when tipped over. The heater offers a 45-degree oscillation for wide area heating. I tested the space heater for about a week and I think it's a very good product. It's small and lightweight, it's ready to heat your room within a few seconds, and it has some good safety features. So if you're looking for a not so expensive but good quality portable space heater, I would recommend the Kloudic electric heater. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.